Okay, be honest. Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and nothing came out? Like, literally nothing. Your brain just froze?
Oh, wow, yeah. Or worse, you say something and everyone stares at you like you just spoke alien language.
Exactly. And then you feel your face getting hot, your hands start shaking, and you think, why is English so scary?
Here's the truth. It's not English that's scary. It's the fear in your head.
And today, we're going to destroy that fear. We're going to show you exactly how to speak English even when you feel nervous or shy.
By the end of this video, you'll have real tricks that work. Ready?
Let's go.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Always amazing. You're too kind, Max.
It's true. Anyway, welcome back everyone. Today's topic is super important because so many learners tell us the same thing.
Right. They say, I know English, I study every day, but when I try to speak, I can't. I freeze.
And that's normal. Even native speakers feel nervous sometimes. But here's the good news. You can train yourself to feel calm and confident.
Exactly. So today, we're giving you 5 simple strategies to speak English even when your heart is beating fast and your mind is going blank.
And we'll practice together. So grab a pen, get comfortable, and let's start.
Okay, Max, let's start with the biggest problem. Why do people feel nervous when they speak English?
Good question. I think it's because they're afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, they think, if I say something wrong, people will laugh at me.
But here's the secret. Everyone makes mistakes. Even me. Even native speakers.
Oh, I've heard you make mistakes, Max.
Exactly. And did the world end? No. Did people stop understanding me? No. Mistakes are normal.
So strategy number 1 is this: accept that mistakes are okay.
Say it with me, everyone. Mistakes are okay.
Good. Now, when you believe that, the fear gets smaller.
Right, because you're not trying to be perfect anymore. You're just trying to communicate.
And communication is the goal, not perfection.
Love that. Okay, here's strategy number 2. Prepare easy phrases before you speak.
Ooh, this one is so helpful. Max, can you explain?
Sure. So imagine you're going to a restaurant. You know you'll need to order food, right?
Right.
So before you go, practice simple phrases at home, like, "Can I have a coffee, please?" Or, "What do you recommend?"
Exactly. You're not memorizing a speech, you're just preparing a few safe sentences.
And when you get to the restaurant, you already know what to say, so you feel less nervous.
Yes, it's like having a safety net.
Totally. And you can do this for any situation. Going to the doctor? Prepare phrases. Meeting new people? Prepare phrases.
I love it. Okay, let's practice one right now. Imagine you're at a coffee shop. What do you say?
Easy. "Hi, can I have a latte, please?"
Perfect. Now, listeners, you try. Say it out loud. Hi, can I have a latte, please?
Don't be shy. Say it.
Good job, everyone. See? That wasn't scary.
Not at all. Okay, strategy number 3. Focus on the other person, not yourself.
Oh, this one is genius. Tell them, Max.
Okay, so when you're nervous, your brain is thinking about you, right? Like, do I sound stupid? Is my grammar correct? Are people judging me?
Yes, all that worry is about you.
Exactly. But here's the trick. Stop thinking about yourself. Start thinking about the other person.
What do you mean?
Think about their face, their words, what they need. If you're helping someone, focus on helping them. If you're asking a question, focus on getting the answer.
Oh, I see. So your brain stops worrying about you and starts focusing on the conversation.
Exactly. It's like magic. Suddenly, you're not nervous anymore because you're busy listening and responding.
Wow, that's really smart.
Thanks. I learned it from experience. I used to be super shy.
Really?
Oh, yeah. But when I started focusing on others, everything changed.
I love that. Okay, strategy number 4. Use body language to feel confident.
Ooh, yes. This one is amazing.
So here's the idea. Your body and your mind are connected. If your body feels confident, your mind feels confident too.
Right. So before you speak, do this. Stand up straight. Take a deep breath. Smile a little.
Even if you don't feel confident?
Yes, even if you're faking it, your brain will start to believe it.
It's called fake it till you make it.
Exactly, and it works. Scientists have studied this. When you smile, your brain releases happy chemicals.
So you actually start to feel better.
Yes. So everyone, right now, sit up straight. Take a deep breath. Smile.
Do it. We're serious.
How do you feel?
A little silly maybe, but also better, right?
Exactly. Your body is telling your brain, I'm okay. I can do this.
I love it. Okay, last strategy. Number 5. Start small and build up.
Yes, this is so important.
Don't try to have a big, long conversation if you're nervous. Start with something tiny,
Like what?
like saying hello to a stranger or asking, "How are you?"
Oh, that's easy.
Exactly. And when you do it once, you feel a little braver. So next time, you say a little more.
Right. Maybe you say, hello, how are you? Nice weather today.
Yes, and slowly you build your confidence.
It's like going to the gym. You don't lift the heaviest weight on day 1. You start small.
Perfect comparison. Start small, then grow.
And before you know it, you're speaking English without even thinking about it.
Exactly. Okay, wait. Before we go further, I need to tell you something.
What?
Most learners make one huge mistake when they're nervous, and it makes everything worse.
Oh no, I do this.
Right? Like, they start every sentence with, "Sorry, my English is bad."
Yes, or sorry, I'm not good at speaking.
And here's the problem. When you say that, you make the other person uncomfortable, and you make yourself feel worse.
So what should you do instead?
Just speak. Don't apologize. If you make a mistake, it's okay. Just keep going.
Right. The other person probably doesn't even notice the mistake.
Exactly. So everyone, repeat after me. I will not apologize for my English.
Say it. I will not apologize for my English.
Good. Remember that. All right, Max, let's do some practice. I'm going to give everyone a real situation and they have to say something in English.
Ooh, I like this. Okay, what's the situation?
You're at a store. You want to buy a shirt, but you don't know the price. What do you say?
I would say, excuse me, how much is this?
Perfect. Simple and clear. Now, listeners, you try. Say it out loud. Excuse me, how much is this?
Don't just think it, say it.
Good job. Okay, here's another one. You're on the phone and you don't understand what the person said. What do you say?
Oh, I would say, sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Yes, great answer. Listeners, your turn. Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Nice. One more. You're meeting someone new and you want to introduce yourself. What do you say?
Easy. Hi, my name is Lily. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Everyone try it with your own name. Hi, my name is blank. Nice to meet you.
Say it proudly.
I love it. See, you're already speaking English, and it's not scary.
Not at all.
Okay, let's quickly review the 5 strategies we talked about today.
Yes, because repetition helps you remember.
Strategy number 1, accept that mistakes are okay. Don't try to be perfect.
Strategy number 2, prepare easy phrases before you speak. Practice at home.
Strategy number 3, focus on the other person, not yourself. Listen to them.
Strategy number 4, use body language to feel confident. Stand tall, breathe, smile.
And strategy number 5, start small and build up. Don't try to do everything at once.
Those 5 strategies will change your life.
Seriously, if you use them, you'll feel so much braver.
And remember, everyone feels nervous sometimes, even native speakers, even us.
Oh yeah, I still get nervous before big presentations.
Me too, but we use these strategies and they work.
Exactly.
Oh wait, before we finish, we have a bonus tip for you.
Ooh, a bonus. I love bonuses.
Yes, so stay till the end because we're about to tell you the one phrase that makes any conversation easier.
This phrase is like a magic key. It works everywhere.
Keep listening.
Okay, here's the bonus tip. Are you ready?
Ready.
The magic phrase is, can you help me?
Wait, that's it?
That's it. "Can you help me?"
But it's so simple.
Exactly. And that's why it works. When you say, "Can you help me?" people want to help you.
Oh, I see. So if you're lost, you say, "Can you help me? I'm looking for the train station."
Yes. Or if you don't understand something, you say, "Can you help me? I don't understand this word."
Wow, that's actually really useful.
Right? And it makes the conversation feel friendly, not stressful.
I love it. So everyone, remember, can you help me?
Use it anytime you feel stuck.
Perfect. All right, everyone, we're at the end of today's lesson, and we're so proud of you for being here.
Seriously, learning English takes courage, and you have that courage.
You really do. Even if you feel nervous or shy, you're here, you're trying, and that's amazing.
So here's what we want you to do. After this video, go practice. Use one of the phrases we taught you today.
Maybe say hello to someone or order something at a cafe.
Just do one small thing, and then tell us about it in the comments.
Yes, we want to hear your stories. What phrase did you use? How did it go?
And if you feel nervous, that's okay. We believe in you.
We really do.
Also, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up. It helps other learners find us.
And subscribe to Mr. Englishman if you haven't already. We make new videos every week.
Next time, we're going to teach you how to keep a conversation going without awkward silence.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Right? So don't miss it.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
You're amazing. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself.
And remember, mistakes are okay. You're doing great.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.